Hey, and welcome to our community. This is a social media style platform where we share our makes, connect with other sewists, and use hashtags to browse patterns and materials. I'm Kate from Minerva, and I'll link my personal profile down below so you can follow me here too. I'm so glad you're joining me for today's video. I'm going to share with you the 3 versions of the wilder pattern that I have sewn up. Before we do that, it'd be great if you could hit that follow button above this video right beside our name. It's totally free, just means we're gonna show up on your feed when we post new videos and photos and all kinds of content like that. So the wilder gown has these really nice raglan sleeves. It also has this telltale granddad style collar or paper bag kind of collar with this bow tie at the front. You can wear this either tied up or open. I think it looks beautiful both ways. It is more of a loose fitting style in the bodice, and it doesn't have any darts or anything like that. It's quite a simple make, and I think it looks great with jeans or a skirt or even dressed up with some nice dress pants and heels. It actually conveniently comes with 3 different versions: the top, the short dress, and then the 2-tiered longer dress. For the top, I use this cotton double gauze in the soft green colorway. And the matching thread to this is the Gutermann 556. I did the long sleeves on this top, and I'm really loving this for fall and winter. Even though it is in this lighter cotton double gauze fabric, it's still nice and cozy, and it makes sure that I don't get too hot. As for the shorter skirt dress or the 1-tiered dress, I use this navy and pink viscose challis. And I use Gutermann matching thread number 387. So when we're making the dress, we cut the bodice part a little bit shorter, and that's really the only difference other than it having a skirt on it. The bodice is all the same, constructed the same. I did do the short sleeves on this version. I wanted it to be a good transition from summer, fall through winter, and even spring, so a year-round dress. And it's so breezy and fun. The long dress with the 3 tiers I made in this Atelier Brunette Granito print viscose challis, and I used the chestnut colorway. The matching Gutermann thread is number 934. And this dress is long, it's luxurious. I did the long sleeves on it as well, just so that I had all of this fabric on my body. I love how breezy and flowy and ethereal this is. I actually wore it for our family photos. I think the 2 tiers just add so much drama to this. You are sure to be the showstopper when you walk into a room wearing this dress. Each one of the options in the Wilder pattern is fantastic, and I will definitely be making them again. You can let me know down in the comments which one was your favorite, which ones you've made, and which one you're making next. Thank you so much for watching, liking, sharing, commenting, saving, following, and being part of this community. I can't wait to see what you create. Happy making!